Teacher as online material developers, presented by Fulvio José Usa Estepa, tutor Astrid Carolina Sastoki. Material design for virtual environments. Teacher as online material developers. The advance in ICT has made it possible to develop online English material more interactive and more enabling for language learners. Technology gives us many opportunities for enriched material with animation, simulation, audio and video components, but developing material for online teaching is a demanding task. The material should present the content appropriate for self-study, should be contextualized, offer opportunities for integrated language use, also should be authentic and attractive. Text-based material should use this type of material supported with visual linking, guide hyperlink for text, video or audio, and direct the student to explore the subject matter. Web page on the Internet, browsing the web for quality materials for the lesson but considering copyright. Authority tools. Use authority tools combine text, image, video, and audio to develop a more effective teaching material. Web 2.0. There are many friendly tools. Teachers should integrate some of appropriate using Temple. It may then help speed up the material development process with structure, appearance, and consistency. Reflection. Use of material is very important in the process of online teaching. Therefore, teaching should use different tools for designing this material, choosing the most appropriate. But it must be relevant to the object and proposed goals, and really address the needs and interests of students.